This is a 2018 Komfi Amiga 36A high-speed single-side laminator. It's got a lot of nice options added to it. And we'll go through those and talk a little bit about the machine. It's a great setup for digital and offset shops. For digital shops, one of the great features is it'll fit through a 32-inch door this way. Also, you can make great covers with it, with your single-side application. A couple of the features it has, we'll put the exact specs in, but I believe it's around 14 by 27-inch paper capacity on the feeder. It has a couple optional air separators here for increased speed, and accuracy. Going through some of the other options it has, up here it has a inline perforator that'll come down. Well, you got to loosen this setting, this lock here, but this will come down onto the roll. It also has a slitter that operates the same way. Another important option it's got is the overtoner foiling here, which it'll actually add metallic, reflective, and other specialty laminates to your paper stock. You got a nice touchscreen interface here. Coming around the other side, we got this is an option that they added to an anti-skew roller, and they also paid for the air compressor. You don't need to use it, you can just use shop air, but if you don't have shop air nearby, it comes with this air compressor. We're going to go ahead and run just a short little job here, showing everything operating.